it's your girl Bree, and I am back with another for your mother. So, if you don't know me, I know some ever come with some boring video. So tonight I feel like me I put a twist in our video, right? So, me cook already. I did some cooking and shit. So I have rice and gravy left, but I have no meat. So my meat is down here out for like an hour. So I think it's time for me to clean up the meat and all of that. But there's a plot twist to my video. I'll be taking shots of Malibu and Don Julio tequila. So, and this, I have my tracer right here. Yes, so we're gonna go on with a bag of things in the night, yeah. And it's currently, I'll tell you guys the time. It's currently 11:19 Canadian time, which is 12:19 Jamaican time. But I remember what time it is in the US now. But yeah, so we're gonna start off with a shot. Then we're gonna clean the meat, and then we're gonna take a next shot, and then season the meat, and then take a next shot. So every step that I do, I'll be taking a shot. If you understand what me I do. So I'm trying to figure out which one to start taking shots of. Because the tequila strong. The Malibu is not all that strong. So we're going to do the inni mini minimal. I'll see how it go. Is it me? So inni mini minimal. Catch up with your so if you ever let him go, inni mini man and more. For the king and queen said so 100 million years ago. So we're going to do the Don Julio. I think that's enough. Whoa, that is way too much right now. Anyways, we're gonna do this. We're not afraid of no boy. We're not afraid of no girl. By the way, cartel free. So you know the thing, girl. Somebody can buy me a ticket. Anytime cartel are doing first show, I want somebody buy me a ticket. Yeah, and that me say. So let's go. We ready? Have this ready. Shit. Oh God. Nah, take no more shot than Julio. I want to go down hot. Sorry. Sorry about that. Anyways, we're gonna move on. We're going to the cleaning up of the chicken. But now we're really showing that part there because my father can tell me like I'm very insecure about my cooking. So when I'm done clean up and I season up, I will get back to y'all, okay? So peace, I'll be back. So alright, I'm done clean up the chicken. Shit, this pepper. Yeah, I'm done clean up the chicken and it's time to season the chicken. So as I said before earlier in the video, I said that as we go by each step, we're going to take a shot. So I already throw out the Malibu shot. So I feel like the Don Julio tequila ain't doing me justice as fuck. It ain't doing me no justice. So we about to do the Malibu shot and see how it works, right? So it's thrown out. I feel like this too much still, but I just life, right? So have my tracer here still. Have a little bit left in the cup, and then after I'll have to throw it somewhere somewhere tracer. So yeah, so it's time to season the chicken. So yeah, let's do these. After 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's do it. Let's chug it. Yo. Ooh. I feel like the Malibu is not all that bad. I can definitely taste like the coconut in it. The Don Julio has 40% alcohol and the Malibu has 21% alcohol. So yeah. So I'm about to season the chicken. And then after I season the chicken, I'll be back again to take another shot. I'm telling you already, I have confidence to cook and show how I cook, because like I feel like everybody cook different. And I grew up in a different household than most people, so me just go do what me do best. You understand? Because when me cook for myself, it tastes good. Me not hide and talk. It tastes so good. Like, it's edible for me. It might not be edible for y'all, but it's edible for me, and that's the only thing that matters to me, is that it's edible for me, right? Yeah, and by the way, guys, yeah, like I forgot to say this. I'm gonna put a Amazon wish list in the description in this video. So if y'all wanna get me something for my birthday, I'll put my Amazon wish list in the description, and y'all can click on it and get me something nice for my birthday. Yeah. And everything on there, I try my best to choose the cheapest things, because I never put money in a pocket. Never put money in a no pocket. So I choose the most cheapest things I could find and put it on my Amazon wish list, and it's there. So if y'all want to get me something, just click that link. Just click the link there, guys. And remember to follow me on Instagram, TikTok. I'm not there nothing else. Instagram, TikTok. I'm not even there on Facebook. Facebook are for old people to me. But yeah, remember to click the link. The link them. Follow me on all my socials. My Instagram is _weed_baby. Yeah. Alright, so my meat season. And the pots are hot right now on the stove. I never tell you what my tracer be. My tracer is Minute Maid lemonade. I'm about to take another shot, but I have to throw some. So as I say, I have to throw some tracer. So I'm just go, yeah, that's enough. And then one more shot. Of, I think I should do Don Julio like how I did Malibu before, cause like, fuck, what's wrong? So yeah, I'm gonna take one more shot of Don Julio, and then I have a little bit left. And then yeah, I'm just waiting on the pot to finish heat up, put the oil in, and then I'm good to go. Sorry. So if I fuck up the food, and my father, the Don Julio and the Malibu, oh God. So anyways, I'll be back. Stay tuned. I feel like my Frass. I feel like how much shot I take now? 3 shots. I feel like the 3 shot them kinda touch up vessel. And then because my dad cut up onion, my eye them kinda watery. But yeah, and remember to subscribe, touch notification bell, and tell a friend. I'll be back when my meat done cook. When my meat done cook, then I take a next shot again, and then that will be it. Okay, cool. Period. Cool. Oh, I never shown how I look. Like, this is how I look. Yeah, let me just put the food, because at the end of the day, like, so I have like this sports bra. I get it from, I'm not gonna even talk. I get it from somebody that I'm not deal with anymore. But yeah, and then I have on my nighty gown. Remember gown? Obviously the liquor touch. Not my gown, but my nighty short, my nighty pants. Seal, I get bun. I can't get bun, I'm single. That don't work. I am single, so how am I supposed to get bun? Anyways, yeah, so this is the fit. I work to put on a little bit weight, so for yourself. I give you the journey. Anytime I start putting on weight, I give you the success journey of me putting on weight. But I'm not gonna hide and talk, like anytime I go overseas, I always put on little weight. Always. I'm always get brown. I always, because I look on my color. The light I touch my face, I look on my color like, when you did black, but it's because I'm in the cold. Yeah. And like, what the fuck is going on with this why winter takes so long for done? A springtime now. Like, excuse you? I'm supposed to get warmness. But anyways, I see out the door I get wetty and monkey, so obviously spring is coming. So yeah, look a fit. And then the pot the so this I eat up, so come back when everything ready. Liquor. We'll come back when everything ready and I'm gonna know what I want. So let's stay tuned, okay? Bye babies. Woo! Okay, so I done cook my chicken and my eye them feel very tired. I feel like I the liquor cause it, but at the end of the day, like at night. So who the fuck cares? Not me. But anyways, I have my rice I heat up, my rice and my gravy I heat up, and then I share out my meat. So we're gonna take a next shot. Feel like we're Frass. Nah, we feel Frass your fuck. Yo, but anyways, that I cup now, so we're just gonna do a shot on that. Oh, oh. So, yeah, that's the end of my video, guys. My Frass, mega nyam, and I got my bed. So, in the comment, tell me if you like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribing.